Tyrhee! Tyrhee, come on so you can get this food.
What?
I could. Don't let me. I cook for you. So, we got some chicken with some potato wedges. We got you a nice fresh salad with mixed greens. Some nuts in that bad boy. Mixed nuts if you want some. Feeling nasty.
Okay.
We also got some pickled onions with some seasoning. Ooh, we can't have none of that yet, baby. With some chips. To dip it all in all that. Ooh. But guess what I got as a dessert? Just guess.
Did you give me animal crackers?
Animal crackers!
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
Hey.
Only one thing to say.
What? I'm the best.
So we there now? That's how you feel? You gonna sit up here and make me a good meal?
Look, you said you were hungry, so I made you something to eat. Don't get beside yourself. Oh my God, stop being weird.
Whatever sounds like feelings to me.
Oh my God.
You okay?
Oh my God, you really just caught me. I swear, I'm the clumsiest person in the world. Thank you.
So we there now?
Wait, hold up. Calm down. You know I'm clumsy.
No, you tripping on me already?
I'm clumsy. Just come on. Don't be extra.
You're clumsy. Next time you fall, I tell you what, I'm not gonna pay for that next trip.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's up, bro? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Capri here?
Yo, I mean, what's up? Yeah, what's up? She here.
I need to see Capri.
Capri!
Hi, love.
Hey, how
How
you doing?
are you?
I'm blessed. How you doing? Looking
I'm
good.
amazing. Oh, thank you. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Where you going?
So we there now? Huh? We're there now? Cause I could have sworn I've been throwing hits your way and you wasn't catching them.
Why didn't you just why didn't you just say like, oh, I like you?
Cause I'm shy, nigga. Fuck you thought. But it's okay though. Let's go, baby.
Hey, fam.
What's up? I'm talking to you. What's up?
Hey, what's up, fam?
What's up?
What's up?
What's good?
On the Humbelskis, do you mind getting me a chicken Alfredo pasta? On humble.
See what I can do. Kind of noodles.
The thin ones, Italian, Italian thing, I like those ones.
See what I can do.
No. Come on, baby, let's go.
I'll cash app you for something.
Bye. Bye.
Capri! Capri! Capri!
Hey, bro. I got you.
Caprio!
Hey, bro, you go like $5 short if you going to an expensive restaurant.
Go ahead, I'll get your cash app or something like that and we can work something out from there.
All right, I'll get her number for you.
Okay, peace. We good. That's how we feel? You making good food all cause this is okay.
Game. She expensive as fuck, dude. I paid you already.
What?
Yeah.
Capri! Cut. Yeah.
You looking at her though?
Oh, so that's.
Do that Olympic jump, your ass.
Oh, so that's where we are now. Oh, wait, what the fuck is
So
that?
we there.
So we're there now. Okay. Come on, let's go.
Oh man, that looks like it hurt. It hurt. We got the watch.
Trying to look tough and it.
Back his whole back.
I mean, that was pretty fire.
That was pretty fire. You idiot.
Yo. What's up, man?
Capri here.
I hate both. I hate the both of you so fucking much.
Damn, what did you
Fucking aggressive this.
You have dreads, you can have a whole little wave, you can have a high top fade. You guys are lit.
As a wig?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
How the fuck you go?
Yeah, that's crazy.
And they
I
got
see
the fake,
Kawhi Leonard with a fade.
yo, they have a fake patch for you guys to have beards too.
Yeah,
Ew.
they do that.
I
Yeah.
need that.
A lot
This
of
shit don't
yeah,
look
a lot
that.
of yeah. I can get you hooked up. Let's go.
Yeah,
What's up, fam?
Hey, what up, man? How you
You
doing?
good? You just got out of 2003? You good? Yeah, nah, man, nah. Hold up, bro.
What's up?
Oh man. Oh man.
Hey, brother.
What's up?